Dun 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 dun. And we're back in the labyrinth. Where are we going? We're lost.
I'm lost.
Babe, we're lost. We gotta stick together.
I'm lost.
Okay. We gotta go one way.
Oh.
But according to the worm guy, hello, don't go that way. But that means we have to go that way, because that's the center of the labyrinth. But he says go this way.
We're gonna go
This way, not that way. Oh God, she went that way. Oh, where'd she go? Oh my God, there she is. This is so amazing.
He's so little.
Check that out, guys.
Look at him.
Wow.
We were trying to do more with him. We had to be virtually the second
This is so amazing.
hands were always a problem.
Oh my God. Fish lips. The names for these guys are so funny. Oh my God, speaking of which. Plaster head for Helga. My God. Oh, check that out. If you don't get that reference, oh my God.
Wasn't that when she threw things on
Yep.
the ground?
Oh, there it is again. There's another one. Oh my God. I know y'all can't see because of the lighting in here, but oh my God. David Bowie's costume. Oh my God. Oh, the clock. Let's go. The balls. Guys, I'm going to jail.
No, you're
No,
not.
I'm like stealing everything in here. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Oh my God. Guys, this is so amazing. Babe, what do you think so far?
It's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, but that's it. The labyrinth was short, but it was so amazing. And then you got the pathway. I'm gonna go straight to the pathway. Come on, guys. We can make it. Oh, it's just a set wall. Fooled you! Haha. Alright, guys. I think that is it for the labyrinth. And then we're gonna go to the gift shop.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go to the gift shop.
They don't need to go with us to the gift shop.
Yeah, we won't go to the gift shop yet. Alright.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm cut off. Bye-bye.
There you go. Bye. Remember, thank y'all for watching, and always remember, please like, share, favorite, and subscribe. Alright, bye everybody.